I'm sorry, what was the question again? What are we doing here? Oh, hey, we're Spectrobotics, and we're out of Colorado Springs, Colorado, and we take drone imagery here at a drone conference, and we classify that imagery to give you more insights and more information about what's going on in the environment. So we're here with the Colorado Office of Economic Development and UAS Colorado, representing all the tech companies that are associated with the drone industry within Colorado. So Dan, you want to talk about the tech a little bit?
Yeah, real quick speed run. Analytics is difficult. You need experts to know how your data is and what it represents. Our platform allows experts to come online and use AI to train mini experts that are digital, and then they can use them privately or share them with others. But you basically have digital experts scaled across the cloud to analyze anyone's imagery within minutes.
So the interest is in precision agriculture and smart city monitoring, looking for environmental monitoring. So if you need to do crop analysis, or if you're looking for solar panels in urban forests, or you're looking for endangered species or invasive species, our platform allows you to use artificial intelligence to train what these things look like. And within those data sets, you can look across vast imagery stores and find where those features exist in other places. It's a time saver, it's a money saver, and it also grows this ecosystem as a business for all of the associated technologies that are out there. It all sort of comes together here at the data analytics group. So thanks for your interest. We hope to see you here at Xponential 2023.